Dear students, today rationalization chapter 3rd of R.D. Sharma. We will solve the questions of exercise 3.2. Okay. Question number first. Rationalize the denominator of each of the following 1 to 7. In this question, for from 1 to 7 part, in all this part we have to rationalize the denominator. How we can rationalize the denominator? For rationalizing the denominator, if quantity single one term is there and this term is in square root sign or under root sign, so we multiply and divide by the same under root quantity. If suppose in denominator two terms are there, so for rationalizing the denominator, we have to change the sign between these two terms. If the sign is given positive or plus sign between two terms, so we will multiply and divide by taking the minus sign. Suppose the sign between two terms is given negative, so we will multiply and divide by changing the sign negative to positive or positive to negative. So the first part of this 3 upon under root 5. Here 3 upon under root 5. So we have to rationalize its denominator. So denominator is root 5. So if we multiply and divide by this root 5 to this number, then there will be no changes. So multiplying by root 5 and dividing by root 5 is called rationalizing the denominator here. So we can write this 3 upon root 5 multiply by root 5 and dividing by root 5. This is called by rationalizing the denominator. Rationalizing the denominator. Rationalizing the denominator. Denominator. So, which is equal to this 3 under root 5 and this root 5 multiplication 5. So, this is the answer. In this way, we can rationalize. Question number first, part second. 3 upon 2 under root 5. This we have to rationalize. Its denominator is 2 root 5. So we cannot put the denominator quantity in under root sign. So multiplying and dividing by this root 5 only. So which is equal to, we can write, which is equal to, we can write 3 upon 2 root 5 multiplying and dividing by root 5. This is called rationalizing the denominator by rationalizing the denominator. Rationalizing the denominator. Simplify this. Three root 5 in numerator 2 into root 5 into root 5, this will become 5 only, which is equal to 3 under root 5 upon 2 5s are 10. This is the answer. Question number first, part third. 1 upon under root 12. 1 upon under root 12. So by rationalizing the denominator, first we solve this under root 12, 1 upon, write the prime factors of this 12, 2 into 2 into 3. We can use this for making the prime factors. This is 12, divide by 2, 2 6 ja 12, and again divide by 2, 2 3 ja 6, and it is divisible by 3, 3 is prime number, 3 1 ja 3. So we can write 2 into 2 into 3. Now this 2 into 2 one pair, so write this so write this 2 outside the under root sign, so which is equal to 1 upon this 2 root 3. Now we can rationalize this 1 upon 2 root 3. So this is root 3. So multiplying and dividing by root 3. This is rationalizing the denominator by rationalizing the denominator. Rationalizing the denominator means we are multiplying and dividing by the same quantity, which is equal to root 3 into 1 root 3 upon 2 into root 3 will become 3. So this is root 3 upon 2 3 ja 6. This is the answer. Question number first part, fourth. Root 2 upon root 5. So here in denominator this root 5. So by rationalizing the denominator, multiplying and dividing by root 5, which is equal to root 2 upon root 5 into multiplying by root 5 and dividing by root 5 by rationalizing the denominator. By rationalizing the denominator. Simplify this. Root 2 into root 5, we can multiply and 1 under root sign 2 into 5, root 2 into 5, root 5 into root 5, 5, which is equal to root 10, 5 2s are 10 upon 5. This is the answer. Question number first part, fifth. Root 3 plus 1 upon root 2. Here in denominator root 2, so multiplying and dividing by root 2, which is equal to root 3 plus 1 upon root 2. Multiplying and dividing by root 2, this is rationalizing the denominator. You can mention this by rationalizing the denominator. This is rationalizing the denominator. Simplify this, which is equal to root 2 into root 3 plus 1 upon root 2 into root 2, 2. This is the answer, or we can multiply this root 2 inside the bracket. Root 2 into root 2, root 6 plus root 2 into 1, root 2 upon 2. You can write this answer also. Question number first part 6. Root 2 plus root 5 divided by root 3. So here in denominator root 3, so multiplying and dividing by root 3, which is equal to root 2 plus root 5 upon root 3 upon root 3 multiplying by root 3 and dividing by root 3 by rationalizing the denominator. Rationalizing the denominator. Simplify this. Which is equal to root 3 into root 2 plus root 5 upon root 3 into root 3, 3. You can leave up to here, or you can multiply this root 3 into in the bracket. Root 3 into root 2, root 6. Root 3 into root 5, root 15, 3 5s are 15 upon 3. This is the answer. Question number first, last part, 7th. 3 root 2 upon root 5. Here in denominator root 5, so multiplying and dividing by root 5. 3 root 2 upon root 5, multiplying by root 5 and dividing by root 5 by rationalizing the denominator. By rationalizing the denominator. By rationalizing the denominator, which is equal to 3 root 2 into root 5, root 10, and denominator root 5 into root 5, 5. This is the answer. Question number 2nd. Find the value of 3 places of decimals of each of the following. It is given that root 2 is equal to 1.414, root 3 is equal to 1.732, and root 5 is equal to 2.236, and root 10 is equal to 3.162. Here the values of given root 2, root 3, root 5 and root 10. So we have to find out the values of given 2 upon root 3, 3 upon root 10, and like this. So we have to find out the values of given below up to 3 places of decimal by using this values root 2, root 3, root 5 and root 10. Now I am taking this first part, 2 upon root 3. Here we have to find out its value up to 3 places of decimal by using the values of root 2, root 3, root 5 and root 10. So for finding the value, first we will rationalize this number, then finally we put the value of under root which are given. So 2 upon root 3, 2 upon root 3 multiplying and dividing by root 3. This is rationalizing the denominator. By rationalizing the denominator, which is equal to 2 root 3 upon root 3 into root 3, 3. Now we can substitute the value of root 3. It is given in question. Since root 3 is equal to 1.732, it is given. We have to use this value. Substitute root 3 is equal to this. So 2 into 1.732 divided by 3. First multiply the numerator 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14, decimal, 2 1s are 2, 1, 3. 3.464 divided by 3. Now we have to divide by 3. So we can divide in rough. 3.464 divided by 3. 3 1s are 3. Put this decimal. This is 0 and this is bring down 4. 3 1s are 3. 1. Bring down this 6. 3 5s are 15. Bring down this 4. 3 4s are 12. 2. And because of this decimal, we can put 0. 3 6s are 18. And this quantity will repeat. 0.6 0.6 6666 will come, but this is up to 4 places. We have to write only first write this. So 1.1546, but question is saying only 3 places, up to 3 places of decimal. So 4 digit is 6, which is greater than 5, so add 1 in previous digit. So this is 1.155. This is approximate, up to 3 places of decimal. Approximately 1.155. Question number second part. 3 upon root 10. 3 upon root 10. We have to find out its value up to 3 places of decimal. So first simplify this. Rationalize the denominator 3 upon root 10, multiplying and dividing by root 10 by rationalizing the denominator. By rationalizing the denominator. By rationalizing the denominator, which is equal to 3 under root 10 upon under root 10 into under root 10, 10 only. 3 into the value of under root 10 is given. Since under root 10 is equal to 3.162. 3.162. This value is given. So directly we can use this value. 3.162 divided by 10. First multiply by numerator. 3 2 ja 6, 3 6 ja 18, carry over 1, 3 1 ja 3 1 4, put decimal, 3 3 ja 9. Divided by 10. When we divide by 10, then this decimal will shift 1 digit to left side. So directly dividing by 10, it is 0.9486. We have to write the answer up to 3 places of decimal. So this 4 digit is 6. It is greater than 5. So add 1 in previous digit. So it is 0.949. This is approximate value. We can write approx. And this is the answer. Question number second, part third. Root 5 plus 1 upon root 2. And denominator root 2. So first rationalize this, multiplying and dividing by root 2. Root 5 plus 1 upon root 2, multiplying by root 2 and dividing by root 2. This is called by rationalizing the denominator. By rationalizing the denominator. By rationalizing the denominator, which is equal to root 2 into root 5 plus 1 upon root 2 into root 2, 2. Simplify this. Multiplying by root 2, it is root 10 plus root 2 upon 2. Now substitute the values. Value of root 10 is equal to 3.162 and root 2 is equal to 1. Root 10 is equal to 3.162 and root 2 is equal to 1.414. 1.414. Just two values we can use here. Root 10 3.162 and root 2 1.414 divided by 2. So after decimal 3 digits here, so directly we can add and we can put the decimal just below the decimal. 4 plus 2 6, 1 plus 6 7, 4 plus 1 5, and this decimal 3 plus 1 4 divided by 2. Now divide by 2. 4.576 divided by 2. 2 2s are 4 and put this decimal, this 0, and bring down this 5, 440. Bring down this 5. 2 2s are 4, 1. Bring down this 7. 2 8 ja 16, 1. Bring down this 6. 2 8 ja 16. 16 minus 16, 0. So directly when we divide this 4.576 by 2, then this is 2.288. This is the answer. Question number second, part 4. Root 10 plus root 15 divided by root 2. And denominator root 2, so rationalize this by multiplying root 2 and dividing by root 2. So this is root 10 plus root 15 divided by root 2 multiplying by root 2 and dividing by root 2. By rationalizing the denominator. By rationalizing the denominator. By rationalizing the denominator, which is equal to this root 2 into root 10 plus root 15, root 2 into root 2, 2. Multiply by this root 2 inside the bracket. This is root 20 plus root 30 upon 2. This root 20 and root 30, what we can write? Factors of this 20, 4 into 5. Prime factors of 20, 2 1 ja 2, 0. 2 5 ja 10 and dividing by 5, 5 1 ja 5. And this root 30, dividing by 2 1 ja 2, 2 5 ja 10, dividing by 3, 3 5 ja 15 and 5 1 ja 5. So from here this one pair of 2, so we can write 2 under root 5 as this 20, this 20 as 2 under root 5 plus this under root 30 we can write root 2 root 3 root 5 root 2 into root 3 into root 5 upon 2. So all three root values we have. From here we can take out root 5 common. Take out this root 5 common, this then our calculation will become simpler. Root 5 common, so here 2 plus root 2 into root 3 left upon this 2 as it is. We have the values of root 2, root 3, root 5, all values. Substitute the values of root 2, root 3 and root 5. What values are given? Since root 2 1.414, root 3 1.732 and root 5. Root 5 is, it is given 2.236. 2.236. 2.236. 236. Substitute these values carefully here. This root 5, 2.236 into this 2 plus root 2, 1.414 into root 3, 1.732 divided by 2. Now this 2.236 as it is, this 2 plus, first multiply this two numbers. So in rough we can multiply 1.414 into 1.732. Multiply by 2, 2 4 are 8, 2 1 are 2, 2 4 are 8 and 2 1 are 2. Finally we will put the decimal after 3 and 3, 6, after 6 places. Now multiply by 3, 3 4 are 12, 3 1 are 3 1 4, 3 4 are 12, 2 carry over 1, 3 1 are 3 1 4 and multiplying by 7, 7 4 are 28, carry over 2, 7 1 are 7 plus 2 9, 7 4 are 28, 8 carry over 2, 7 1 are 7 2 9 and multiplying by 1. So 4 1 4 1. Add this, add them, 8, 2 plus 2 4, 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 8 20, 0 carry over 2, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 9 15, 15 plus 4 19 carry over 1, 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 8 13, 13 1 14, 4 carry over 1, 9 1 10, 10 plus 4 14, 4 carry over 1, 1 plus 1 2. After how many digits we have to put the decimal? 1 2 3 4 5 6 digit. Count 6 digit from unit place. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this is 2 point. So here we can put the decimal. So this is 2 point. This is 2.449048. 048. Now we can rub this. 2.449048 into 1.732. 2.732 into 1.732 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 divided by 2, which is equal to 2.236, and add this 2.449048 plus 2, 4.449048 divided by 2. Now we have to multiply the numerator quantity also. So in rough, multiply this more digit quantity by a smaller digit quantity. 4.449048 multiplied by 2.236. First multiply this, and after product we can put the decimal after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 digit. After 9 digit we have to put the decimal. So I am multiplying this. First multiply by 6. 6 8 ja 48, carry over 4. 6 4 ja 24 plus 4 28, carry over 2. 6 0 0 0 plus 2 2. 6 9 ja 54, 4, carry over 5. 6 4 ja 24 plus 5 29, carry over 2. 6 4 ja 24 plus 2 26, carry over 2. 6 4 ja 24 plus 2 26. This is now multiplying by 3. Multiplying by 3. 3 8 ja 24, 4, carry over 2. 3 4 ja 12 plus 2 14, carry over 1. 3 0 0 plus 1 1. 3 4 ja 12 2, carry over 1. 3 4 ja 12 1 13, carry over 1. 3 4 ja 12 12 1 13 3, carry over 1. 3 4 ja 12 12 1 13. Carefully. Now multiply by 2. 2 8 ja 16, 6, carry over 1. 2 4 ja 8 1 9, 0. 2 9 ja 18, 8 1. 2 4 ja 8 1 9. 2 4 ja 8 and 2 4 ja 8. One more 2, multiplying by this last 2. Cut. The same quantity will come 6 9 0 8 9 8 8. Add them. 8 8 plus 4 12, carry over 1. 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 6 13, your 1. 5 6 6 plus 9 15, 15 plus 6 21, 1. 21 1, carry over 2. 2 plus 9 11 plus 2 13, 13 plus 9 22, 2, carry over 2. 2 plus 6 8, 8 plus 3 11, 11 plus 8 20, 0, carry over 2. 2 6 8, 8 plus 3 11, 11 plus 9 20, 20 plus 8 28, carry over 2. 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 8 15, 15 plus 9 24, 4, carry over 2. 2 1 3, 3 plus 8, 3 plus 8 11, 11 plus 8 20, 11 plus 8 19, 9, carry over 1, 8 1 9. After how many digits we have to put decimal? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 9 point this much, so which is equal to 9.9488021328 divided by 2. Now we have to divide this by 2. Divide by 2. 2 4s are 8. 1. Put decimal. Bring down 9. 2 9s are 18. 1. Bring down this 4. 2 7s are 14. 0. This is 0. And bring down this 8. 2 4s are 8. 0. Bring down this 0. 0 not divisible, so put 0 and bring down this 2. 2 1 ja 2. Again this 0 and this 1. Put 0 and bring down this 3. 3. 2 6 ja 12. 1. Bring down this 2. 2 6 ja 12 and this 0 and this bring down this 8. 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. 0. So here we have got this after dividing 2. 4.9740106664. But we have to write only 3 places after decimal. So look at the 4 digit after decimal. 1 2 3 4. This is 0, so leave it. This 0. So less than 5, so leave it. Only 4.97. This is 0. So leave this 0. This is less than 5. 4.974 approx. This is approximate value. Approx. We can erase this. This was the rough work. You can do in rough page. So this is the answer. Question number second, part 5. Question number second, part 5th. 2 plus root 3 upon 3. So directly put here the value of root 3. 2 plus root 3 is given 1.732 divided by 3. The value of root 3 is given. Root 3 is equal to 1.732, which is equal to 3.732 divided by 3. Divide this by 3. 3.732 in rough by 3. 3 1 ja 3. 0. Put decimal this 7. Bring down 7. 3 2 ja 6. 1. Bring down this 3. 3 4 ja 12. 1. Bring down this 2. 3 4 ja 12. Is 0. So this is 1.244. We can rub this, and this is after decimal only 3 digits. So this is the correct value of this 1.244. Question number second, last 6th part. root 2 minus 1 upon root 5. And denominator root 5, so rationalize by root 5. Root 2 minus 1 upon root 5, multiplying and dividing by root 5. By rationalizing the denominator, by rationalizing the denominator, which is equal to root 5 into root 2 minus 1 upon 5. Here directly we can put the value of root 5 and root 2. Since root 2 is equal to 1.414 and root 5 is given 2.236. 2.236. 2.236. Substitute these values. Root 5, 2.236, root 2, 1.414 minus 1 divided by 5, which is equal to 2.236, and subtract this 1 from this, so 0.414 upon 5. Now multiply the numerator. Dividing by 5, 2.236 multiplied by 0.414. First we multiply, then finally we can put the decimal after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digit from unit place. Multiplying by 4, 4 6 are 24, 2, carry over 2, 4 3 are 12 plus 2, 14, 4, carry over 1, 4 2 are 8 plus 1, 9, and 4 2 are 8. Multiplying by 1, 6, 3, 2, 2, and multiplying by 4, 4 6 are 24, or you can write directly this, 4 4 9 8. Add them, 4 4 plus 6 10, 1, carry over 1, 9 1 10, 10 plus 3 13, 13 plus 4 17, 7, carry over 1, 9, 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 2 11, 11 plus 4 15, 5, carry over 1, 2 1 3, 3 plus 9 12, 2, carry over 1, 8 1 9. So after how many digits? 6 digits. Put the decimal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 0 point. So we can write this. This is the decimal. 0.925704. Now we can rub this. Now divide this by 5. 0.925704. Dividing by 5. Decimal. 5 1 ja 5. 4. Bring down this 2. 4 5 8 ja 40. 2. Bring down this 5. 5 5 ja 25. 0. Bring down this 7. 5 1 ja 5. 2. Bring down this 0. 5 4 ja 20. 0. Bring down this 4. because of this decimal not divisible, so put 0. 5 8 ja 40. So here we have got this 0.185148. We have to write only 3. After decimal we have to write only 3 digits, 3 places. So count 1 2 1 2 3 digits. So this 4 digit is 1, which is less than 5, so leave it and write this approximately 0.185. This is approx. This is the answer.